Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft is finally starting to roll out the movable taskbar to insiders. And late last week on Friday, in my part of the world, Microsoft rolled out the movable taskbar to the dev build in the experimental channel, build 26,300.8493. So the movable taskbar is now in official testing. So just a quick video to go through some of the key highlights from Microsoft's announcement. Now, Microsoft says that the ability to move the taskbar to the top or sides of the screen has been one of the most requested features, and it says we're bringing it to Windows 11. So starting today, which was last week Friday on the 15th, Windows insiders in the experimental channel will be able to, number one, position the taskbar on any edge of the screen. So that's to the left, to the top, to the right, and also obviously to the bottom. Number two, you'll be able to choose icon alignment for every taskbar position. So top aligned or centered when the taskbar is on the left or right, and left aligned or centered when the taskbar is on the top or bottom. And number three, you'll be able to use start, search, and other flyouts relative to the taskbar location. For example, when the taskbar is on the top, start opens from the top. I did post on this previously when this was very much still in its infancy as a hidden feature. The start used to open from the bottom, even though the taskbar was at the top. So this is already an improvement. And then number four, Microsoft says you'll be able to see every window at a glance. So when using a vertical taskbar with never combine, taskbar buttons and show labels enabled, each app window appears as a separate labeled button, as we can see in the image provided, making it easier to identify and switch between windows. So those are the four key areas that Microsoft is currently working on. And to change the taskbar position, you would head into Settings, Personalization, Taskbar, Taskbar Behaviors. You click on the drop down, and yeah, you'll see and find the new option alongside taskbar icon alignment. So bottom, top, left, right, which I think is a nice move. Now, over and above these new improvements that Microsoft has made in the debut of the movable taskbar into the dev build in the experimental channel, Microsoft says it's still working through additional visual polish, performance improvements, and a few known issues. And there are also some features that are not yet included in this release but are coming soon. So the first feature that's going to be coming soon is auto-hide and tablet-optimized taskbar are not yet supported in alternate positions. Touch gestures for alternate positions are still in progress. And search boxes are not yet supported in alternate positions and will appear as a search icon for now. And Microsoft says it's also evaluating additional features like different taskbar positions per monitor, which I do think is a step in the right direction, and drag and drop. And it says its focus is to deliver the core functionality you need while keeping the experience simple, predictable, and free from accidental taskbar movement. So there we have it. Movable taskbar is officially now in testing. Still a bit of work to do on it, but this is a very good sign that I do think this is going to be rolling out to the stable version in a near and future release. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.